Hi, today we're creating this text inside image typography video using free Canva. And trust me, it looks totally paid. I click on Create a Design and I choose 2560 by 1440. Now I select the video I want to use for this typography. You can use any video, travel, city, nature or reels. I place the video on the canvas and adjust it nicely in the background. Next, go to Elements and search for letter frames. You'll see different alphabet frame styles here. Choose the one that matches your design vibe. For this example, I'm using the word Rome. I place each letter one by one and align them properly in the center so everything looks balanced and clean. Now comes the important part. I take the same video clip and place it inside each letter frame. Yes, the same video for all the letters. This keeps the design consistent and makes everything feel clean and professional. I start by clicking on the letter R. Then I double-click to enter the frame. Once the video opens inside the letter, I gently drag and reposition it, adjusting the scale and alignment until it looks perfectly placed. After that, I repeat the exact same process for O, M's and E, one letter at a time. I don't rush this step. For each letter, I double-click the frame, then slowly adjust the video position, making sure the movement looks smooth and fits the shape properly. This part takes a little time because every letter has a different shape, and I want the video to sit naturally inside each one. I start by selecting a square shape. I change the color first and set it to black. Now I slowly drag the shape, stretching it outward until it covers the entire screen. I take a moment to align the edges properly, making sure it fits perfectly from corner to corner. Once that's done, I lower the transparency, go to Layers, and drag this transparent shape below the letters, but above the background video. This small step makes a huge difference. You can adjust transparency as you find suitable for your design. Once you are satisfied with it, preview the video. If it looks good, then download your video. And you've just created a premium typography effect using free Canva. Save this video and subscribe for more Canva hacks that actually work.